In this section, I'm going to share the stress-free you, which means to look good, to feel good, and do good. This is the 21st century formula for fitness, which means why is it important to take responsibility of your health? Why must we take responsibility of our health? The best way to have a healthy lifestyle is something you already know. Make good decisions such as maintain body weight, eat plant-based or fruit-based diet with moderate portions, engage on regular physical activity, healthy sleep, master your stress, cultivate a healthy personal environment, nurturing strong personal relationship, or find meaning and purpose in life, and so on. If you already started your mindfulness and all these practices, then congratulations. You are taking responsibility for your own health and well-being and decreasing your risk of developing diseases or disease. Do you agree with me that health is a growing global issue? What I'm going to share with you today is how you can find the self-certainty and confidence to reach a fit body for life using Phyto Life strategies. There exists right now a way to discover the certainty to reach the fitness you dream of and then to stay young for life without having to persistently exert iron willpower over almost everything you eat, without switching from diet to diet while pretending to everyone that you are happy just as you are, without having to give up all forms of social activity you enjoy, and without having to spend a fortune on the latest diet pill or diet shake advertised on social media, and without having to constantly count calories. Here's how. Stem cell technology is a revolutionary innovation that promises to change the future of medicine. Stem cell technology aids the treatment of certain diseases through a concept known as stem cell therapy. People with ailments such as type 1 diabetic, spinal cord injuries, heart disease, cancer, stroke, Parkinson's disease, osteoarthritis, and skin burns and other diseases caused by stress and bad eating habits can benefit and get treated with stem cell therapies. It's this technology that is adapted by a company called Mibell Biochemistry Switzerland. In this video, I will be talking about my lifestyle and a revolutionary product called Double Stem Cell and Crystal Cell, a life-changing product made from the latest stem cell technology from Phyto Cell Tech. I will also be sharing how atomic healing and crystal cell healing changed my life. I used to suffer from rheumatoid arthritis, which caused me a lot of pain and distress since I was a child, and stem cell theories healed me completely of it. Yes, you hear that right. You do not believe me? I also have testimonies from people who use this product from various countries in the world, and their words will not only move you to tears but also encourage you to try this product. I will also be sharing how you can be an affiliate partner or business partner of Phyto Science and use their business platform to earn a passive income online. Have you been searching for a solution to diabetes, arthritis, body pain? Or have you heard about double stem cell, crystal stem cell, or not? And you are curious to see if you can become a member or a distributor? Keep watching. This is for you. Let's dive right in, shall we? Oh yeah, before I forget, please subscribe to my channel and visit my website, phyto.life. Being the author and the healer of the innate light, atomic healing, I trust this platform will be a fusion of personal development. Perhaps like mindfulness, meditation, rejuvenation, relaxations, or prevention, survival, wellness, anti-aging, and for those in need of weight management. You will also be able to prepare to create delicious and exciting meals that will keep you satisfied and that your friends and family will love. No more fad diets or meaningless protocols. You will be inspired by wellness educational lectures and videos that are highly informative and fulfilling. I will share the best health and wellness strategies that I have benefited and on-the-ground insights to provide you with practical steps developed from unique combination of experience both as a corporate executive and as well as lifestyle coach. I trust my strategies will empower you and live with tangible, practical, easy to achieve habits and proven practices to make all the difference to health and wellness both in community and the workplace. Take care of your body. It's the only place you have to live. Do something today that your future self will thank you for. To conclude today's section, please subscribe to my channel and visit my website pito.life for further information. Thank you.